This is a tag team match, and coming to the ring first, I fucking love this chick. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the fierce Allie Gato! I'm into Allie Gato for sure. Great, now I can do the rest of the show with a boner. All right, and her partner, one of the favorites, ladies and gentlemen, he likes his women like he likes his refrigerators. In the alley with a dead kid trapped inside him. Give it up for the one, the only, Royce! He looks like somebody put a Ken doll head on a He-Man action figure. You are the most ridiculous looking person. Like, fucking women is the only straight thing that guy does. I swear to you. Jesus. And their opponents. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage, give it up for Rachelle Riveter and Dasher Hatfield.
Ooh, here we go. We're waiting for the nice man. Allie Gato says, ring that bell! It's time for some ass kicking! Oh, hell yeah. Sorry, I was doing an Instagram story of Royce's butt. People need to know. Whoa. All right. I can't perform under pressure. I'm so sorry.
That was an interesting synchronized catcalling. Let's do it.
Harvey Weinstein here tonight.
Oh! And in case you want to get an autograph.
Big takeover there from Allie. Hide your houseplants, everybody. That's right. Some people read the news 3 months ago.
You come in my houseplant once, shame on me.
As timely as you guys are hilarious. Here we go. Allie, Rachelle Riveter really giving it to Allie there. Whoa! Athleticism. Whoa! Rolled right through it. She landed on her feet, much like a gato.
It's Spanish.
Gato is Spanish for cat. The way the smoke is blowing on Royce right now, it's just really doing it for me. Boom. Drag by Rachelle Riveter. Oh! Right to the face. Bringing in Royce Isaacs, everybody. Oh my God, Andy Kaufman, eat your heart out. I can't believe the guy with a mustache is about to do something terrible. Dasher Hatfield, everybody.
That's what I would have done.
Here we go.
Royce looks like Ned Flanders if he discovered the gym instead of religion.
There we go. Ooh, strong, powerful wrist lock.
This is the ring around the rosy.
That's how you confuse them. Ooh, there we go. Oh! Beautiful reversal. Here we go. Applying pressure.
Ooh. Wow. Diplomacy.
It's in the rules that if someone says wait, you have to wait. He's calling for the test of strength. Here we go. How strong can you be in boots like that, though? Some would say too strong. Got those at the rodeo surplus. Ooh. Mustaches, that's true. Mustache off. Is that, oh boy. This happened at a family barbecue once. Oh, powerful. Oh no! Oh shit. If you have a weak stomach, please hide your eyes right now. This is brutal. Oh God! Those are men's facial pubic hairs going at it.
This match is brought to you by Norelco Blades.
If this is what you're into, congratulations, you found it.
Usually when I want to see this shit, I need to go to some incognito tabs.
I have to go on creepyuncles.com for this normally.
Yeah, I got a premium membership.
Ooh, clean break. Off the ropes. Oh! That ass has a family. How dare you? Off the... Oh! Big takedown. Here we go. Oh! Dasher pulling out some moves here. Maybe you've seen this in Chikara before. Here we go. Oh, he's getting that surfs up jabronis. Here we go.
Acro yoga is so aggressive now.
Hashtag namaste. Here we go.
You gotta align your chi.
Oh, and Dasher Hatfield. Oh, shit. 10. Oh! Hook to the... Rachelle Riveter kicked the mustache off his face. His beautiful, beautiful face only two.
He ain't pretty no more, IDT.
Oh, hell yeah. No tag was made. The ref is playing by the rules. Oh! What a villain!
Harvey Weinstein is aroused.
It sounded anti-Semitic when you said it like that.
Yeah, maybe it was.
Oh, they're putting the boots to Rachelle. This referee has no idea. It's his first...
Oh, domo arigato, Miss Allie Gato.
There it is. Ooh. One man in the audience being judgmental. Oh, right to the face. This could be it.
Oh, preventing the tag.
Allie's being vicious right now.
Like, you know in the jar, like you can't open the jar of mustard. It's just...
People...
I guess ketchup would have been more apropos.
Oh, punching her in the boobs. That's the weak spot. Oh. Brutal takedown.
This kind of tag.
Right in the solar plexus. Whoa.
Oh, in her final form.
World star. my goodness.
If I learned anything from this match, is shave all your body hair.
Hell yeah. Or get a friend to do it. Or pay a friendly stranger to do it.
Or do it on a webcam and make some money.
Allie's controlling the situation. Oh,
Hair to arm control.
Oh, no. What's she going to do to Rachelle right now? Right in the kidneys.
Mixed signals.
Careful, that's how Houdini died.
Really hard ass pat. He did a great job.
It's a historical fact. Ooh, hot tag. Just objectifying Royce again. Yeah! He told you guys to suck it.
I didn't know he knew American Sign Language.
You have to when you have a mustache like that. Ooh. Oh, come on, Royce. This isn't you. Royce used to be such a sweet boy, and then he worked out once. Oh, putting the boots to her. Dasher's had enough. Oh!
That's what I call a punchline. Hey, thank you. I'll be here all night.
Dasher is an old-timey gentleman and does not like that behavior. This audience not behind the ref. Allie's in. Rochelle's being lady-handled.
Are you mansplaining?
Yes! We can! Whoa! Only two. Oh! With a vicious kick. Just putting the boots to her. Oh. Oh. Crossbody into the corner. Oh! Oh, right in the larynx.
Look at this, trying to tag right now. You know, it's like watching the end of Titanic in reverse. He's drowning in chest kicks.
Ooh, only two.
Ooh, it's cold down here.
Rachelle still in the match. Oh, here comes Royce. This is how Royce treats all of his Bumble dates.
That's the app where you get treated well.
Oh!
Wow, elbow to the
Fighting!
face.
Yes! She can! Oh! Oh! There it is! There it is! Oh no! Oh no! So close! So close. The villainous Royce Isaacs. I was glad he came back to Colorado. Now I'm not.
Just like Harvey Weinstein.
You changed, Royce. You changed, man. Still has an amazing butt, though. Look at Royce Isaacs' butt, you guys. Back and forth. Rachelle, some sort of momentum going here. Pump handle slam from Allie Gato. Oh, no! She's activated strong style. Big back body drop by Rachelle Riveter. Can she make it to Dasher? Who will make it first? This could be the match right here. In comes Royce, and in comes Dasher. Oh. Yeah, into the corner. Ooh. Strong. Oh,
Whoa.
punched him right in the pancreas.
I think it was worse than that.
Huge power bomb broken up. That should have been it right there.
Collusion.
Dasher's had enough. Oh no! Oh! Powerful Royce Isaacs. Only two. Dasher Hatfield rising like the economy in 1927.
God,
Too soon.
they keep talking about the economy, man.
Oh, here we go. Oh, no! Reversal. Dasher. He's an equal opportunity suplexer. Oh! Double drop kick.
Buy two for the price of one.
Double rivet kick. Oh! Slammed. Oh no! Oh! Yeah! Finally! Normally, Royce pays for that. Going up top, she goes. Oh no! Great ring awareness by Allie Gato, the crafty veteran. Uh-oh. Oh, no! This could be dangerous. Oh! Double superplex. That could be it. Ooh. Dasher in to break it up. Oh, it's a melee now. Look at this. We have chaos in the ring. His beautiful penis. That's two. Oh, his voice went 3 octaves higher. Oh, no! That just smashed the Isaacs. That's really how he... Oh! Look at that beautiful cutter. That could be it. Rachelle Riveter picking up the pin. Yes, she can. Look at that. Getting the win over Allie Gato and Royce Isaacs. Give it up for Dasher Hatfield and Rachelle Riveter. With the double team finish. Thoughts and prayers out to Royce's kids. Referee Kelly's out. He can pawn Royce's coat for some money.